Hello! You probably know the feeling when a tomato doesn't slice well or a piece of paper becomes an obstacle for your knife. That's why I recommend using this simple, budget-friendly knife sharpener from Fiskar, which I have been using for years. Using it is very easy. Insert the knife with the blade facing down, and with a few strokes pull the knife forward and backward. The built-in sharpener will restore your knife sharpness in just a few seconds. Afterwards, remember to rinse and wipe off any debris creating during the sharpening process. After such a simple sharpening, you won't have to press hard to cut even the toughest tomato. As you can see in the paper test, the knife won't tear the paper, but makes clean cuts. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.